I graduated from Christ Church in 2009, and I still remember my first day of school. I remember feeling so loved and so welcome, and the most awesome part is that feeling didn't end there.
I've gotten a lot of friends, and they've just been really nice to me since day one.
I've been here since primer, and I really love Christ Church.
I like to come to school because we learn and get to do fun things.
Our day always starts at the door. We do not just rush in. I have 15 precious children, and so when they get to the door, we use eye contact. We always say good morning by name.
We do plan as a team, all of the specialists and teachers, so that we are touching on the same unit and bouncing ideas off of each other so that we're not overlapping too much, but that we are studying the same things.
It's just a joy to teach them every day, and especially to connect what we do in art to what they're doing in their classroom curriculum.
I like a lot of different things. Like in Discovery, we're doing Lego right now, which is really fun, and we're making a robot with Legos and making it move and pull things. I like chapel because I get to sing. I was actually going to say the same thing. I like learning about the gospel.
They're exposed to the stories in the Bible, the Old Testament, the New Testament, and also to different kinds of spiritual disciplines, prayer, worship, leadership, those kinds of things.
I like chapel because Miss Valerie's really nice, and all the chaplains are really good.
We all participate in this. It's a part of everything we do, not just in class or in chapel. It's how we treat each other outside. It's how we take care of each other, take care of ourselves, and take care of the environment.
Christ Church taught me how to give back to the community, and what a great sense of pride and satisfaction you can get from giving back to the community.
Service learning is so important, and we start in second grade and go all the way up to high school. It's so important, and we connect it with the Christian education, and we back it with why we do it. We don't do it for us ourselves to feel good. We do it because that is what we're supposed to do.
We really like being here. We love helping everyone else out and just helping out our community and others.
The opportunities are endless at Christ Church. I had friends that excelled on the football field here, on the athletic field, on the courts.
My coaches have taught me to be a good sport on and off the field, win or lose, and how we represent Christ Church, and every single day we need to live up to our full potential.
What I love most about running cross country at Christ Church is that it creates a community outside of the classroom that I wouldn't be able to get, and I also get to become friends with upperclassmen and lowerclassmen.
I had friends that excelled in the drama department and the music department, just in the fine arts. I mean, Christ Church just gives you an opportunity to do it all.
We're doing something for the Wax Museum, which is the play we're doing, and I'm Abigail Adams, so I'm really excited for that.
I hold Christ Church so close to my heart for so many reasons, but just to name a few: the small class sizes, the one-on-one attention from teachers, all the extracurricular activities, and the lifelong friendships and relationships that I've gotten from Christ Church.
So I think probably the thing that comes to mind the most is that sense of family that you get at Christ Church that I don't know that you would get at a larger school.